I'm in a 2011 Infiniti QX56, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the language in your display from English, Spanish, or French. So first make sure your vehicle's turned on, which this is, and then from your display here we'll go to settings, and then we'll scroll down to others and hit enter, and then at others we'll scroll to language and units, hit enter, and then here in enter we'll activate your language options, so we can go to French or Spanish. So let's say we want Spanish, we'll hit enter, and then just wait a few moments and it'll auto update. And then obviously I speak English, so I'll walk this through again to switch to English. So we'll go to Otros, enter, and then this idioma, enter, and then on this top one we'll enter, and then English again, enter. And that's it. It should auto save, so there's nothing else you'll have to do at this point. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.